Good morning. So again, the exam time is 8:06 to 9:36 a.m. And so I will set that up to save. You may want to, and I've done this for my other classes, created a little bit of a buffer here to, let's say, 9:45. So I'm going to save this. Oops, I have to change that to AM. There we go. So now I would be able to see my students. I can't see them now because it is not 8:06 to 9:36. It does not fall within that window. So to show you, I guess, how this would look, I'm going to kind of fudge my time frame here. So I'm going to change Wednesday to 10 a.m. Okay. So now let's see, 8:06. Save. Oh, it's not letting me go in. It could be because I have a class set up for them already. So let me go into my already set up classrooms. Okay, it took me a second to find a class that was currently in session on my schedule. But right now, these are the students that are open and active. I'm not going to click on Show All Screen for privacy reasons. But if you were to click Show All Screens, their screens would show what they were currently viewing. You can also look at what browsers are currently open. So let's say it's the exam, and browsers should all say, if you wanted them testing in Illuminate, they should all be in Illuminate. You shouldn't see any other browser URLs, I should say, listed over here. If, let's say, Wikipedia is open while your test is open, you can click on that URL, and it will show you what student is on that particular website. You should also be able to see that when you click Show All Screens. Now, it is very important that to enable it to show all screens, that your browser or the student browser is synced. So they would have to make sure that sync is on and that the data is linked. I have another video that is going to be sent showing how to do that. Now, there are some instances that I have had where students have been synced and they still don't show up. That is generally not a whole handful of kids. It's 2, maybe an hour that happens to. Sometimes it's because they haven't updated their browser or they're using Edge. They have to use Chrome for this to work, as far as I know. Now, in the instance of this particular class, it is Guided Academics and Credit Recovery, and technically it is 3 classes during the same hour. So the obvious problem that this creates is I can't view multiple classes in Relay at the same time. There is a solution to this. The solution to this is to go to More Options and Class Settings. And this takes you back to your schedule. But also, if you scroll down, you can invite students using an invite code. Option 1, visit this code, visit this website, and enter the code. You can copy and paste this into or option 2, you can copy and paste this into an email, and this, though, requires students to actually fulfill going to this link and adding themselves to the class. You will then have to admit them, much like you would admit someone into a Zoom. One final thing I'll leave you with is that if you wanted to change your schedule, let's say it's a Wednesday half day, or on our exam days. You would have to add, and on a Wednesday half day, change the time for Wednesday. Hopefully this provides you a little bit of understanding of how to actually use Lightspeed. Again, it's not perfect. Like I said, not every student's screen will show. And you do have to go in and change time settings if our schedule changes, for example, during exams. I hope you find this video helpful.